Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Precision Pro NX9 Golf Rangefinder. With crystal clear optics and high-speed measurements, the NX9 Slope Rangefinder provides a vision that golfers will appreciate. Our new magnetic grip feature adds an internal locking magnet to the rangefinder, allowing you to place it on the side of the golf cart and have it within easy reach before each swing. With crystal clear optics and high-speed measurements, the NX9 Slope Rangefinder provides a vision that golfers will appreciate. Our new magnetic grip feature adds an internal locking magnet to the rangefinder, allowing you to place it on the side of the golf cart and have it within easy reach before each swing. The rangefinder is fastened to the golf cart by a built-in magnet. Our NX9 Slope Golf Rangefinder features a shock-resistant construction for increased durability and robustness. This NX9 Slope Golf Rangefinder with Slope features a 22mm viewfinder with 6x magnification and crystal clear optics. You can switch between slope and non-slope modes using the adaptive slope technology. This golf laser rangefinder is accurate to within 1 yard, has a 600-yard range, and shows measurements in yards. It's water resistant and sends out a brief vibration when the target is found. Number 2 in this best golf rangefinder with slope list is Precision Pro NX7 Golf Rangefinder. This level of precision is enthralling. Golfers are so enamored with their NX7 Pro Slope Rangefinder that 95% of those polled said they would give up at least one club to keep using it. Precision Pro Golf makes award-winning rangefinders that are the perfect blend of performance and value, giving golfers all the confidence they need. Never be uncertain about the distance to the flag, and we guarantee you'll never be uncertain about adding this rangefinder to your golf bag. Precision Pro Golf's NX7 Pro Slope Golf Rangefinder has been redesigned and developed to offer precise distances on sloping and flat terrain. Our Pro Slope technology makes it user-friendly and assists you in selecting the perfect golf club with a faster laser speed and new ergonomic design. The Pro Slope feature in this NX7 Pro Slope Golf Laser Rangefinder delivers a play as distance to simplify club selection. For legal tournament play, the slope mechanism can easily be disabled. The NX7 Pro Slope Golf Rangefinder offers speedy yardage of a golf ball's distance to the hole and is easy to use, especially for golfers with shaky hands, thanks to its crystal clear optics, 6x magnification, and precise technology. Our third choice is Tech ULTX Golf Rangefinder. The VPRO 500 provides quick and precise measurements down to the decimal point. Even if your hands are shaking, target lock technology makes it easier to lock onto a target. The VPRO 500 is tough and long-lasting. It's small, ergonomic, and rain-resistant, weighing only 6.52 ounces and measuring 4.09 by 2.83 by 1.61 inches. It comes with a high-quality shock-resistant protective case. There are zipper and quick-release closures on the case. A wrist strap, microfiber cleaning cloth, and an easy-to-read handbook are also included, as well as a long-lasting CR2 lithium battery. The VPRO 500 is a solid option for golfers of all skill levels. With continuous scan mode, innovative pin sensor technology, and a sturdy, water-resistant casing, the VPRO 500 Laser Rangefinder is a premium device that can measure up to 540 yards. For golfing, hunting, and other professional applications, this high-precision laser rangefinder is sure to deliver a seamless experience and consistent performance. Perfect for measuring golf flags, hazards, and wooded areas. Designed with precision to give fast measurement with 1 yard high accuracy, coupled with upgraded pin sensor technology to properly measure overlapping topics and continuous range readings. Fourth pick in this best golf rangefinder with slope list is Bushnell Pro Z Golf Laser Rangefinder. The Bushnell Pro Z is a more advanced version of the Bushnell X2. It is faster and more accurate, but it is more expensive. This golf rangefinder is a fantastic piece of equipment. With Slope with Elements, Tour trusted adjusted distances have been brought to the next level. Bushnell's revolutionary slope technology has been enhanced with temperature and barometric pressure to provide players with the most exact adjusted distances ever. A red ring now flashes as Jolt vibrates, giving the golfer even more input and assurance that the flag has been locked onto. Slope Switch allows the golfer to quickly enter and exit Bushnell's proprietary Slope with Elements mode. This enables the golfer to use Slope with Elements to acquire adjusted lengths throughout the course when they need them while still having a USGA compliant gadget that is legal for tournament play when they need it. Our fifth and last choice is Tech Golf Rangefinders. For easy setup, the ULTX Rangefinder comes with a pouch, CR2 3V battery, wrist strap, microfiber cleaning cloth, and fast start guide. The ULTX is water resistant, highly tiny, and pocket friendly, allowing you to take it with you wherever you go. With fast and exceptionally accurate measurements down to the decimal, using the ULTX Rangefinder is a breeze. Knowing how far you hit each club can help you improve your scores. To stay on the dance floor, nuke those shots, get in the zone, dodge obstacles, and save your balls from a watery fate, better manage your trajectory. Designed with beauty and simplicity in mind to provide you a better golf rangefinder with more consistent performance. Target lock technology, our latest laser technology, and continuous scan mode are included in the Tech ULTX rangefinder, providing smooth performance for golfing, hunting, bow hunting, and other professional applications. The improved slope mode has been configured to make it first and precise while delivering golfers accurate distance on uphill and downhill shots. When you lock on your target, the rangefinder vibrates briefly for added convenience. With crystal clear optics and a 6x magnification, this microscope provides the best viewing experience possible, with excellent clarity and sharpness, as well as a continuous measuring mode for quick and easy measurements. Even in low light situations, the fully multi-coated optics lenses maximize light transmission and bright, crisp, high contrast images. Let's watch more.